How to create a Telegram account with email. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a Telegram account using your email. So let's just get started. So first thing, if you don't have Telegram installed yet, you can just go ahead and download it. And once that is done, you can just open it up and you'll be finding this interface of the login page. So in order to create an account, Telegram requires a phone number, not an email. So if you're wondering on how you can put up an email, first of all, you need to go ahead and log in using your country and your phone number. After that, tap on this arrow right here and you'll be logged into your account. Once your number is verified, you will be asked to enter your name and set up a profile. And after it is set up, this is what you can do. So Telegram doesn't directly allow email signups, but you can link your email to your account. To do that, you can just head over to settings. For that, go ahead and tap on the menu bar at the top right corner. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on settings. And under settings, go ahead and tap on privacy and security. Once you're here, look for two-step verification under security and tap on set password. So first of all, go ahead and set up a password for yourself. And once you've set up your password, you'll be finding this section here. So what you can do is here, enter up an email to recover your account in case you ever forget your password. After that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on this blue arrow at the bottom, and that is it. That is how you successfully set up your Telegram account with your phone number and linked your email for extra security. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more tutorials. And thanks for watching.